I'm just on a quick walk right now, calming down my mind, thinking about the future, the past, the experiences I've already had, how I'm going to grow in the future, what to do about business problems right now, how I'm planning the future, just calming down my mind, gathering my thoughts. Don't let the hustle of every day disturb you. Focus needs silence sometimes, and that's okay. Just relax, calm down. Taking the time to think about your current life and your future life and the vision is really important to get you on the right path. It's not about the speed you're on, the path you're on. It's about the angle of the path, where you're going, the direction. That's what it's about. The speed everybody can do, but if the speed is going to get you a broken bone or just ruin your ruin your authority, or then it won't get you anywhere. Slow is smooth, smooth is fast. Focus on being precise, taking action every day, staying consistent, envisioning your future, planning, taking notes, doing the work that is required. That's what's getting you forward. It's not about sprinting, it's a marathon. Take your time. You're on the right way. It doesn't matter what age you are, how much experience you have. Everybody starts somewhere and ends somewhere, and that's okay. Think about that. Everybody has hard times, tough times, easy times, chill times, and it's going to be okay. When you wake up the next day, it's all gone. It's a reset. It's a start from zero once again, and that's okay. Sometimes relaxing, calming down, getting out of the city, just with your thoughts. No phone, no music, no videos, no sounds, just, okay, maybe the nature sounds, those are great. But calm down, it's going to be fine. Enjoy your life. Focus on the things that bring you joy, that bring you silence, that bring you peace. Focus on the things that over the long term get you to your goals. Sacrificing morality and love and peace just for success, is that worth it? I don't know about that. For me it's not. I like to think about the success I will achieve in the future. Yes, for sure. I know I will achieve it because I'm relentless and I'm giving my best to achieve what I want to achieve, so I can enjoy the life I want to enjoy. But sacrificing it all just for a rough goal, I don't think that's worth it. One thing that always helps me to remember the peace and the love and the things I really enjoy in life is nature, being outside, sunlight, music. Music sometimes when I'm on the train thinking about life, it gives me perspective. The perspective of world is moving without me or with me in it, no matter what. The sun is going to rise tomorrow as it did yesterday or today. There's nothing special to the world about your actions. It's just you exist on it and you want to make the best of it. Don't sacrifice it all. We're just a couple of evolutionized apes living on a floating rock. It's times goes by, winter comes, summer goes. It repeats itself. Years go by, months go by, weeks go by, days go by, moments go by. Don't miss it all. You have great times now. Think about them. Embrace them. Also, be grateful for the life you have today. Be grateful for the steps you've already taken. But nonetheless, never lose the vision. That's also important. Focus on the positive thoughts, not the negative ones. The positives help a lot more. They help through tough times and easy times. Taking life as it comes and as it goes. And that's okay. Negative thoughts don't help you as much. Yeah, sometimes it helps to catch yourself in the act of doing nothing, being unproductive, just not doing what you're supposed to do. But focus on the positive thoughts. Embrace them. Live your life as you're supposed to. And calm yourself down from time to time.